You probably landed on this video because your vehicle was sitting for quite a long time, or either you are trying to offload the car off a tow truck and the car is stuck in park. It will not start because the battery is too low. So how do you get the car out of park into neutral? So that's my quick tip today. This is an e-gear model. So without further ado, let's get into it, but don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do is pop the trunk. You will see that you've got a screwdriver. You go to put the key in, but the car will not start. Now you can see that it is stuck in park because that's what it's meant to be. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your finger right here. Okay, there you go. So this part comes out, and what you're going to do is you're going to slowly turn it like so, just so that you don't scratch any material in the vehicle. Leave that one down. Now you will see that there's a little notch here, and there's a little cover you need to pull out. You can just put a key and turn it out, or a screwdriver, and then you've got a little hole right here, and you're going to insert it into the hole like so until it goes all the way down. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull it back all the way like this. And then what you need to do, so your screwdriver needs to pull all the way back until it releases on the spring. Now it is spring loaded and the screwdriver is holding it from going back. Now what you need to do to put it back into park after you have moved the car or rolled the car off the truck is you just need to pull this one out. And that will push it back into park. As you can see, that's pushed it back into park. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take your trim piece. You want to make sure you put it in slowly like so, and then you want to press it in. So make sure you centralize it first properly, and then you push it in so that it seats in nicely. And there you go, guys. So when it flashes neutral, that's your chance to actually pull the car off the truck or push the car by hand, whatever you'd like to do. Hope this video has been useful and informative. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up.